Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to do these lovely gnome keychain things. I'm going to make them into keychains. I'm going to use my brush with some mica powder put in there. Let me find a smaller brush. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Found my brush. I got my colors set up. I'm going to do Sorry, I got a new camera angle I'm still trying to work with. I wanted to try and see how this angle works. Okay, those are the four colors I'm working with. As you can see, we're going to dust on the mica powder, which is chameleon powder, not mica powder. Well, that's not the one I wanted to start with. I want to start with the red. I'm going to make a red or reddish and blue hat with all the dots. I'm hoping you can see this angle because I'll go ahead and fast forward all this so you don't have to sit through it. Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm going to use the white pigment paste that I got off of Temu a while back. I'm going to put some in here. Let's see. You wipe my stick off so I can put it in the white and not get any resin in the white. Give it a quick little stir. That should be good. Let me put the lid back on it because I will definitely spill it. Well, I do not like that shadow. I just noticed it. Let's go ahead and pour these in. Okay, maybe I should have put you on my right side. Before I demold these, I'm going to check this camera angle. And if I don't like it, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to take a dotting tool and encourage it to move around this. Don't scratch your mold, but get in there and get all those 90-degree angles out of the bubbles out of them. See, because there's one right there that I just popped. I think I'm bringing more up to the surface as you can see them. Y'all see that bubble right there? I'm going to go ahead and spray it with my 91% isopropyl alcohol. What's that? Something in there. I'm going to go ahead and fill them up. Those are ready for getting ready to demold, and I can't even talk today. So what I'm going to do, I've got this extra resin. I've got this teddy bear that I got. As you can see, it's not very clean. I poured it once just to see what it looked like. I'm going to go ahead and put my white right in here. But before I pour it all in there, there's some ears that I want to make sure there's no bubbles. Down at the bottom. Not sure which side. There we go. I'm putting my dotting tool. I'm trying to find the holes without looking. Okay, I think I got them. All right, we will go ahead and wait for these to demold, and I will see you when on the demold. We're back. I'm going to go ahead and undo the bear first. Oh, he turned out beautiful. I just got to put some color in his eyes and his nose. Getting used to my new camera. Okay, we'll set you right there for right now. And I went ahead and got my keychain stuff out. But I'm going to go ahead and demold these. It looks like I got a bubble there. But that's okay. It's not hurting anything. It's right there on the edge. And I'll probably get my deburring tool and scratch that out. Okay. Oh, he turned out amazing. I love his little beard. It looks gray. I should have cleaned it up a little bit more, but that's okay. Let's try this other one. He's cute too. Little messy, but cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn them into keychains, like I said earlier. My little rings, so it'll help me open up these a little bit better. all you do is you find the split, which is right there, and then you just twist it. You don't never pull it apart. You pull it apart and it will pop right out, or it won't go back to shape. And then twist it back. There we go. And then you can put a little charm on it or something. I haven't done that yet. Make that other one real quick. Oops. Got to get a hold of it good. There we go. And there's the other one. And I'll get some good pictures of them. All three of them. I'll get him all dressed up with the face and the nose and all that. And then I'll be back to you. Or I'll get him fixed up and then we'll get pictures. And thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that thumbs up button. And thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please subscribe. It's free. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.